If you're thinking of buying a steam oven, you probably already know the main benefit. That's healthy cooking with steam to keep more natural moisture in your food. But I want to tell you 5 things that maybe you didn't know you could do with a Combi steam oven. Number 1, the defrost mode. Defrosting is perfectly done in a steam oven. You get very even heat. That means fast defrosting and no hot spots. You won't get part of it being cooked while the other half of it's raw. Use the steam oven for all your defrosting. Number 2, sous vide. Sous vide means under pressure. It's a really modern style of cooking. What you do is you vacuum seal meat or vegetables. You can cook them in your steam oven to the exact temperature you need. That's down to the degree. That gives you perfect results every time. Next, steam cleaning. Nobody likes cleaning their oven, but the ASKO Combi Steam has a specific steam cleaning mode that loosens any dirt inside the oven so you can easily just wipe it clean. Number 4, multi-stage cooking. You don't have to choose with a steam oven whether you cook one way or another way. You have programmable functions where you can cook the perfect roast chicken, say steaming at the beginning, and then roasting in the middle, and then grilling at the end for the perfect crispy skin. And lastly, probe cooking. Ovens can be smarter these days than you ever imagined. Use the internal probe to check the temperature of the inside of meat, and the oven will tell you exactly when it's done. So that's it. If you're thinking of buying a steam oven, it's more than just steam cleaning. There are lots and lots of different functions for you to explore.